everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to make this really cute hanging pom-pom flower. To start off, we're going to make our centre pom-pom, and we're going to do this by first cutting off a small piece of thread, placing that in between our fingers in the middle, as you can see me doing here. Then getting the rest of our yarn and starting to wrap around all 4 fingers 100 times, making sure that we don't wrap up the first piece that we put in between our fingers, because this is the piece that we're going to use to tie everything off at the end. Now once you've wrapped around your fingers 100 times, just cut off the rest of your yarn. Then take that first piece of yarn that we put in between our fingers to start with and tie the 2 ends together. Now to start with, you only want to tie it loosely so you can get all of the yarn off of your fingers, and then when it's off we'll tighten it up properly. Then you want to just gently slide the yarn off of your fingers, keeping hold of that piece that we need to tie up, and then tie that as tight as you can. So when it's all tied up, it should look like this. And we're then going to take some scissors and start cutting through the centre of all of these loops. Now once you're 100% sure you've cut all of your loops up, just give it a good shake out, and now we're going to start trimming our pom-pom up. Now we want quite a nice tight ball, so don't be afraid of going in and cutting quite a bit off to start with. Just keep on pausing every now and then to give it a good shake out again to make sure you're getting a good shape. A good tip to make sure you're maintaining a nice round shape is just to roll it up in your hands as you see me doing here, and then cut away again. Now when you've done trimming and you're happy with it, your final pom-pom should look like this. Next, what we're going to do is move on to the petal part of the flower. Now I'm going to simply do this by making the pom-poms exactly how we did before, just in a different coloured yarn. Now you can use any colour yarn you like, depending on what colour you would like your flower to be. So we're going to keep on repeating this process, making pom-poms, until we've made 7 altogether for our petals. Now once we have all of our pom-poms made, the next step is to glue everything together. So first things first, I'm going to take my hot glue gun and put the hot glue onto the centre of the flower, and then go ahead and stick all of the petals straight to the centre. Now once you've stuck them all to the centre pom-pom, we're then going to stick them to each other. So we're just going to open up the sides of each petal, put a little bit of hot glue in and stick it together. Now once everything is glued into place, we're going to go ahead and grab our scissors again, and now we're going to really start shaping our pom-poms, just so we have that nice petal shape and indentation so you can tell each pom-pom apart. Once you're happy with how your pom-poms look and the shape of your flower, we're going to take a little extra piece of yellow yarn and we're going to tie that into a loop with a knot at the end, and then glue this into the flower. So to glue in our loop, we want to part the petals and put the hot glue on the centre pom-pom, and then add that knot on our loop into the glue. And there we go, we have finished our pom-pom flower.